There's a very handsome bird on the fence. Hello, very handsome bird. Are you very busy? Very friendly. So you see how friendly he is. So I'm going to wander forward with the camera and see if he stays there. Yeah, he's moved down the fence a little bit. Just don't get too close to me, Dad. You get an idea of how big he is. Very handsome. Oh, he's gone. Where's he gone now? He's going... There he goes. He'll go back round. And there's a few seagulls out there. If you look, they're all flying around. They're very social seagulls. And the bump that you may have heard, that was the seagull landing on the roof.